Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I was asked by In Love Art Shops, or In Love Arts Shop, if I would like to do another demo of their products. And of course I said yes, because their stuff is awesome. They have all kinds of crafting supplies. So I was given the opportunity to pick out some things, and I just wanted to show you what I picked out. So this is a die cut that is kind of like, what do you call this? It's a heart, and you die cut it, and it gives you these little folds here, and then you just fold it over and they give you a little heart for the closure. So let me just move this over and then I will show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you die cut it out. And then you fold it up and you get this little, I just did it in the same color. Maybe I should have done it in a different color. But there's the little bow, and let me see if I can find the blue little bow for it. So if I put the little blue bow on here, then you can kind of see that it contrasts. But I'll be back with another video to show you exactly what I do with these, how I use them. So you can see here that it comes perforated like this, so you just bend it over and make your little gatefold like this. I think that's what it's called, a gatefold card. And yeah, there you have your little gatefold card. And then I think you can put a heart or a bow. I'll just use this white one somewhere just to kind of close it up. So that's what that is. And like I said, I'll be back with another video to show you exactly how I use that to create a project. So that is that. And then there is this one, and this is quite a large die. Excuse me. This is two pieces, but I didn't break them apart. I just kept them together. This is one piece, and that is another piece. And they cut out like this. This is the one piece here, and then the other piece cuts out like, oh, something else stuck to it. There we go. Cuts out like that. And then you can fold it to make a little corner tuck spot. So you can tuck little things in there in your, say you want a journal or a card, so you can use that to tuck that in there. And then you can use this piece on something else. You can put it here, or you know, anywhere else on the page that you would like. So, and these two pieces are exactly the same. So if you wanted to have one up here, you could put one there too, maybe a different color, and have this one glued down, and this one still you could use it as a pocket. You know, it's whatever you like. So, and this one too, it comes all perforated for you. You just have to gently fold it like so, and then put some glue here. Fold this edge here like this, and just fold it over, and you have your pocket. So very, very simple to do, and such a beautiful effect you get. And then I have this rose, a beautiful rose here. It cuts beautifully. This is just one cut that I did with it. And then I did another cut with the silver. So this is the silver. And then I took out the silver pieces and put them into a pink one that I die cut, and put the pink ones in here. So I paper pieced them. And then I just backed it with green and just cut it out by hand, fussy cut it. So the leaves were green. And this one here, I took out the little pieces of the leaves and just paper pieced them in here. So yeah, so like I got the green leaves in there, and this is just, these are just absolutely beautiful. I love the way these turned out. They are just gorgeous. I hope you can see how they look. I'll lift them up to you there so you can kind of see what they look like. And with the foil paper, I think is just turned out gorgeous. So that is that one. And then I have this key and lock, and I just kept it together. So I'm always afraid of losing paper, or losing pieces. Not paper, but pieces. So here is one cut out in silver. And here is one cut out in the gold. So, yeah. I'll show you what that looks like. They turned out really, really beautiful. And you can cut them out in different colors too, and paper piece them and get beautiful effects with them. So that is that one. And then I have one more to show you, and that is this little snow globe. I just love this little snow globe. It, you know, can be used to make shakers. I didn't make a shaker this time. I just made a little globe here with a couple of trees, and then I used the little snowflakes that it cuts out there. And here is a little house and the snowflakes and the tree. And then this is the part, this part, just the outside. I guess like if you want to turn it into a shaker, then this would be the bottom part, and then this would be the top. I will be making a shaker for next time. And these little trees and houses are out of another die cut set that I have. And that is what that turned out like. I think they turned out pretty cool. And I'll be making some shakers next time with those to show you what they look like. So once again, I'll show you the die cuts that I got. And then I will be back with an actual craft that I made. Let's just put them all on here for now. I think I got them all. I think I had 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Yes. So that is all of them. And yeah, I will link these in the description box below if you would like to check them out. And I'm sure they'll have a discount code for you. So go check them out. I just love In Love Arts Shop. Their stuff cuts, you know, with one, usually with one cut through, but I usually go back yet. So yeah, it cuts out beautifully, and I especially love this one. And for journal making that I do and card making, these are going to be come in very handy. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Very much appreciated, and I hope you like what you saw. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.